Okay, now the third plane that we could move our body and our joints around is called the horizontal or the transverse plane. It's the same thing. You might hear people using the term at different times. So the transverse plane is actually where I'll take that sheet of paper or that sheet of glass, and it comes out around me almost like a skirt. And the movements are this. Any kind of twisting or rotational movement would be taking place in the horizontal plane. Now, I could do that around my spine at different points, or I could even do it at my hip. So I can do external and internal rotation, or around my shoulder. I can do internal, external rotation. And interesting to note that those are your two ball and socket joints, so they are capable of doing rotational movements. So if we apply this to some of our exercises that we know, imagine I'm lying on my back. I come up into my chest lift, which is working the sagittal plane, but then I add a rotation from side to side, and that is your classic obliques exercise in Pilates, and that is working in the transverse or the horizontal plane. Or if I take it into yoga, maybe we are doing a seated spine twist. All right, Ardha Matsyendrasana. As soon as I take myself into that rotation of the spine, I'm working in the horizontal plane. So again, start thinking about the different exercises that you might be doing, any kind of twisting or rotation. Some other examples might be the clam, for example, or the reverse clam, and start applying it to what you're learning and identifying those movements.